In this video, we're going to show you how to install the rear wiper blade on your Nissan Quest, located on the rear glass. On the rear glass, here's the wiper arm and your wiper blade. You can see why we're replacing it here. The blade itself is torn off, causing streaks and potential scratches on the glass. With the base here, your vehicle might have a cap over the bolt itself, so you want to go ahead and pop that cap off. Using a 10mm socket, you want to go ahead and loosen and remove the nut. Set that aside, and I want to pull the arm off the back. Now what we're going to do is take the wiper blade and we're going to pivot it. Slide it up and out. And you can see that the mark here is a notch going forward. Take the new wiper arm, make sure that the curved part faces the curve on the arm. Going to feed this up and in like a T. And then pull that on, locking that into place. Line up the wiper arm on the back. Go ahead and install that nut. We'll snug that down. Make sure that's good and tight. If you have a cover here, go ahead and snap that back on. At that point there, you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.